Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and here I'm back doing the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are not having any high impact news into the market today. So let's directly jump to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what we can see is that the price had reacted from this FVG and we are moving into the downward direction. Currently, we don't know that where the price is going to respond. So this is pretty much for this monthly levels. Now let's move to weeklies. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is that the price is getting a close below its candles level. So I am bearish into the market right now. Let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, the picture becomes little more clear because the price had reacted from this FVG, moved into the downward side. Then we are having this FVG here, that is not an FVG, rather a BPR, and the price seems to be reacting from this level. So if we break below this candle's low, this will be a trend confirmation that we are going to come down. And apart from that, got a little. And apart from that, we are having this BPR at the lower level. So more likely, if we break this low, we are coming all the way down to this particular BPR level. Now let's move to the 4 hours. As we move into the 4 hour, what we see is that the price seems to be respecting this only left FVG into this leg. If the price is going to disrespect it, most likely we are going to face some kind of a resistance in this particular area. But for now, we are respecting this level. So let's move to the 2 hours now. 2 hours seems to be complementing the 4-hour narrative. That is, we are also having this respected FVG, and the only FVG in this leg precisely in 2 hour apart from this level. So the price seems to be respecting it and moving into the downward direction. So more likely, I'll be happy to see this level break for a bearish trade, and until then, I'll be trading within this range. It'll just be a scalp. So let's move to the 1 hours now. As we move into the 1 hours, nothing seems to be more clear because the price is in the range bound area, and I don't see any strong level break into the price right now, because this leg is also not much important because we haven't broken this high and we are moving down. So more likely, I'm still not uh, pretty much sure unless and until this particular level is broken by the market. So let's move to the 15 minutes now. So this was the volume balance area. Normally the price respects this volume imbalance if it has to go in an either direction. We had seen that in past too, but currently the price had failed this volume imbalance zone, and more likely we are bearish, sideways to bearish into the market right now. So I'm still not having a clear trade setup for me to trade. Do write me into the comments that what do you see into the price right now, and what should I include, and where did you didn't understand the concept I explained into the charts. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments and keep learning and keep trading.